Hi guys! Mabuhay! It's me, your girl, InDaynaMo, and welcome back to my Taglish channel! Hello guys! How are you all on the other side of the universe? So guys, for today's video, we are heading to another outlet dito sa Las Vegas, dito pa rin sa Nevada, USA. So guys, are you ready for some book tour dito sa premium outlet dito sa Las Vegas? What are we waiting for? Happy watching! Welcome to Las Vegas Premium Outlets. Note is one of the largest shopping malls in the city.
Spy suitcase.
The 540,000 square foot mall lies near downtown Las Vegas. Is a sprawl on 40 acres of land.
Or wherever where Shake Shack is. Over there. Now here's to where the like North Face billboard by the side. So if you go right, that will lead us around here. And then you get ready to go there. And that's cover everything.
Famous footwear.
So we go. And if we don't have time, nope. We have helicopter tonight now. Helicopter tonight. Yeah. 7:30. And then I think depending how long they take, I think it's only like a 10-minute flight. So you're back early, so maybe you get a car from there directly to Rio. Rio's the Penn and Teller show tonight.
The mall is part of the Simon's Premium Outlets family, and it is easy to see why it is a preferred shopping destination.
I don't know which one's which. Can't tell if this is mine or your one. Oh, that's mine because I've got the hemp things in there. I know we. So it's really just one big circle.
Perfect for the style-conscious shopper, this mall is home to some of the world's most exceptional brands. Whether you want to purchase elegant dresses for your bridal party or would love hiking shoes for an adventure at the Grand Canyon, there is something to suit everyone. Get dapper men's clothing at 7 for all mankind or browse the wide selection at Armani Outlet. Hugo Boss also stocks the latest trends for the modern man, while Converse is the go-to store for all his shoes needs. Other stores that stock men's clothing includes the high-end Dolce & Gabbana, Lacoste, John Barbados, and Marc Jacobs.
Or New Balances to the left if you need more zapatos. No more zapatos? Yes, zapato there. Famous footwear. Famous. No famous footwear.
For the ladies, a shopping experience at Las Vegas premium outlets note is incomplete without purchasing stylish clothes from the different stores. Start your shopping spree at BCBG Factory Outlet and look out for excellent deals to make great savings.
Maybe I was doing the same thing as Hawaii. Well, Asics is the other option.
Carolina Herrera and Charlotte Russe are also worth your time as the two stores combine the best of fashion and the latest trends to help you curate your signature style. Other stores include PacSun, Polo Ralph Lauren Factory Store, as well as Ted Baker.
Map.Tara, Aliwa. You don't break it, of course. I'll give it two. I'm always thinking about Map.Tara, and that's like a mixture of both of them. You want the course, don't you? You don't take it.
There are many dining options at Las Vegas Premium Outlets North as well. You could either stop for a break at a full-service sit-down restaurant or option for a meal on the go. Whether your appetite with the legendary snacks from the Cheesecake Factory or treat yourself to the best of a Mexican grill at Chipotle, enjoy fries from South Philly, or treat the little ones to a delicious sandwich from Subway. Other eateries include Amorino, Dairy Queen, Orange Julius, and Kung Pao Wok.
Boy, I thought Jockey was more underway. There's Victoria's Secret up on the left. Oh, fuck the boss. On the right hand side, there's also a Disney store there. You can pick up your Mickey Mouse beforehand. Or giant Olympic t-shirt. Yeah, I'm just trying to. Oh, I'm just trying to put my bag. Yeah, we still hold it. Until 8 o'clock. Yeah, we're just at the halfway point. I see Cuba coming up. Puma shop. Okay, what have we done? There's a Pandora coming up. We're pretty much about here somewhere, I think. Page. We're here. So we've kind of done the halfway. So we still have, I can see Pumas there. There's a Levi's outlet I might check out as well. Columbia, maybe in your size. Oh, you want Pandora? You got enough jewelry? There's kids around. Oh, Michael Claw. Hey, you can check out. It's a discount outlet, it's not a retail store, so it might be similar to what it was in Vegas, other place. Ooh, sorry, pigeons. There's Banana Republic too. Okay, we've still got like half of this thing. We've still got like half of it. I found new casino top. It's all sparkly and stuff.
Still missing the half there.
And it's still like, I'll get an idea. There's Hanes. Oh, there's Columbia. If you need more puffy jackets. That's how I won't tell them. Oh, let's switch hands. But there's still like more offshoots as well that we haven't done. Some new bunnies on it. Oh, it's throwing on my back.
You'll be like, I want to go in here.
Sunglass Hut, which I reckon I bought stuff from there before. Adidas. Oh, great idea. Okay, let me man chair it and get a car. Oh. So wasn't too many we didn't go to. Oh, it's really just the sports stores.
So, that's it guys. That's our Las Vegas Premium Outlet Note dito sa Las Vegas, dito pa rin sa Nevada, USA. So, there's also two premium outlets dito sa Las Vegas, which is the North and the South. So, the North is very close to the downtown of the Las Vegas, guys. So, nandito yung Fremont, nandito yung Fremont Street Experience, and then the Map Museum. So, malapit siya dito. So, one of the largest premium outlet dito sa Las Vegas. Madaming stores dito, guys. So, mas cheaper dito kesa sa mall ng mga casino. So, we had fun here, enjoying shopping, guys, and window shopping, of course. So, there's a lot of luxury bag here, apparel, shoes, accessories, and many more. So guys, yun na nga ang ating walkthrough dito sa Las Vegas Premium Outlet dito sa north ng Las Vegas. And we duly highly recommended kapag kayo ay turista dito sa Las Vegas. Dito kayo makakabili ng mga branded, mga apparel, shoes, and yung mga gusto nyong i-shopping. So guys, that's the end of our video for today. I will put their link, their SOCMED in my description box down below, and you can check it out, people of the universe. I hope you had fun, and thank you for watching. Mega love shout out to you wonderful, beautiful people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Map.Tara, please like if you did enjoy our video for today, and please do subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to get notified for our next video, and please comment down below if you like this video pa, and see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and mwah! Ciao lang!